Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes.
Well, hello my berries, it's me Darkberry32 and I'm coming to you today, as you see by the title, how to masculine up a Christmas tree or Christmas decor for your significant other. A lot of times, you know, us women, we love to take over for the holidays and stuff like that, but this time I decided to go ahead and give my husband free reign of his own Christmas tree up in his game room, movie room, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty much his domain. And so he has had a vision for that actual room. He's wanted it to be, you know, not so traditional. He wanted to be sporty and fun. So I decided to go to Hobby Lobby and get some things that we're going to put on his Christmas tree. We haven't purchased a Christmas tree just yet. I think he's working on getting that. And then, but I just wanted to show you some of the ornaments and how I decided to go ahead and try to decorate his tree. Now, the one thing that is hard for me, like, in that particular room, you'll see that it's blue and gray. There's lots of blue and gray all over that room. So I have a thing about, just mixing colors. Like I was like all over Hobby Lobby trying to make sure that he gets what he wants, and then I'm able to stand it when I come upstairs and look at all the colors. So I'm just going to dive right in and show you what I got in no particular order, because I have like 3 bags here. From Hobby Lobby. So we're just going to dive right in. So he wanted a sports theme. So let me just show you here what I got. I ended up getting these shatterproof baseball like ornaments for his tree. They were $7.99, but with the discount, 50% off with all of the Christmas stuff. So these were only $4 for these baseballs. So I'm going to put these on the tree, and I kind of like the fact that it was red. However, like I said, the room is blue and gray, but the red doesn't throw me so much because, you know, it's Christmas time. Then I kept on with that theme. I got some basketballs, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to tie all of this together because there's like all these different colors. But then I got these basketballs also to put on the tree. Again, these were $7.99, and I think they're super duper cute. And I actually am kind of excited to see how all of this is going to turn out because, and I got to make sure he's going to like it. I am sure that I'm going to probably end up buying some more things, maybe perhaps, because what I don't want is, you know, for it to look sparse, but then I don't want it all feminine Karen style. So we'll see if he likes it once I get, you know, everything on it. Then I also found these footballs, and yeah, these are all shatterproof, y'all, and I did get them from Hobby Lobby. I kind of like how they have sort of a shimmer to them, almost like if they're not glass proof, almost like if they're shatter, like they could shatter, you know. And yeah, I really like that because I think what it is, it's like that little glitter or whatever that's on the football. And it's the same thing with the basketballs. I mean, they're shatterproof, as you can see right there at the bottom. However, they have that shimmer of like the Fabergé type of ornaments, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I just thought this would be really super duper cool. And I think I have one more thing. Yes, I also got these, which are golf balls. And they're white as well. So I feel like all of this will pretty much go together. I don't think they're kind of, you know, look at that. Like I like how the orange bounces off the brown, off the white, you know, that type of thing. So I think these are going to be super duper cool and cute. So of course I didn't want to leave Christmas out of everything. So what I ended up doing is I found this big bucket of, receipt. I found this big bucket of pine cones, and I feel like, you know, they will go really good, you know, with the football, and then, you know, with the basketball, like, you know, it'll all work on each other. And not to mention, we do have a lot of dark wood tones in that room, so this is all gonna look really, really good together. So I'm gonna try to fill his tree up with some of these pine cones as well, along with, you'll see the sports theme. I hope y'all see where I'm kind of going with it. And then, and then I also got these brown bales. And don't think you're like, oh my god, a green tree with all that brown. No, he wants a flocked tree, so it's going to be really, you know, more white on it. So this is really going to pop. The only thing that I am afraid of are like the golf balls and stuff like that, but I think we can make it work where I'll hang those golf balls on the outside of the tree, and then everything else can kind of go inside. But then I also got these bales. They were and those pine cones were $12.99, so I got them for $6.50. And then these bales, there's like, how many in here? 12 bales for $9.99, but of course with the discount they were $5. So not bad for all of these, and I just feel like everything's gonna really flow really, really well. And then I ended up getting this garland type of deal. I may have to go back and get more, but this garland with the pine cones on it, again, I feel like it'll go really good with all the colors that I have. And normally this garland with the pine cones and the is it raffia, is normally $8.99, so that means I got it for $4.50, which is not bad. To do his tree. And then it has a loop here at the end, so I think you can kind of like intertwine them so they, you know, keep going. But I'll probably just like flow them down the front. I just feel like I should have got one more, but hopefully I'll be able. I have 2 Hobby Lobbies in my area, so I ended up getting 2, but I feel like I might need another one. But like I said, I have 2 Hobby Lobbies in my area. If I can't find it at one, maybe I can find it at another. But I thought these were super cute, you know, to add, like I said, that Christmas feel along with the larger pine cones, the brown bales, all of that. And then, let's see what else. Okay, yes. Oh, yeah, this is the coolest part too. So I wanted some ribbon on the tree, but I didn't want it to be like all, you know, girly or whatever. So I actually went to the fabric section of Hobby Lobby, and I found this football ribbon that I'm gonna like tuck in and out, and I got like 3 packages of these because it's only like 1.5. No, it's about only 3 yards. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough, and so I got 3 of these, and it has like a little football. So it's not like it's in your face football, but just, you know, gives you that hint of like the leather lace on the football. So I ended up getting 3 of these. I think that, let me look at my receipt, because I think they were $2.99, and I think I got 50% off of these too. Yeah, I think these were only like $1.50 for this. I hope so, because that girl, she was really overcharging me for a lot of stuff, and I had to go back. Like for something that was like $10, she charged me like $81. Like seriously, I'm not even kidding y'all. And I was like, whoa, hold up. So yeah, anyway, really like this. I think this is super duper cute. So that's gonna be on it as well. So as you can see, I'm kind of going with that darker brown, but still have the hint of all the sports. And then for the topper, which I think is going to be pretty darn cool, these were $10.99. It's called Touch of Light. It's like a LED firework hanging light. Now it is a hanging light, but I'm going to try to figure out how I can actually turn it upside down. Let's take it out, as a matter of fact. I hope I'm able to do what I wanted to do with it. And it also comes with the remote. And so let me just show y'all. See, do you see that? Like, it's supposed to be a hanging light, but I think I can make it into a tree topper. I was watching a new person that's new to me. Her name is Michelle O'Malley, I believe it is, here on YouTube. And I think she's in the Houston area because she mentioned the Nutcracker Market. I was like, okay, she knows what's up. And she was showing some lights like this. So basically, what I'm going to try to do is have the lights. I'm going to try to connect, like put one of the branches in here to try to hold this thing up as much as I can. If not, I can always use like the ties, the plastic ties to go with it. And then I just want this to be like, basically exploding on top. So it's supposed to be light. I should have brought some batteries up here to see what it's gonna look like when you light it up. So it looks like it takes AA batteries, and it looks like there's it takes 4 AA batteries. So this is gonna be super cute. I think he's gonna really like it because it's not gonna be your traditional Christmas tree. And then plus he has a remote to play with, so you can turn the lights on and off, y'all. You'll be able to do that. So I think that's gonna be neat. And just one more thing that I didn't really get for him, but I just thought I'd show you guys. I got this snow blanket that I think I'm going to incorporate in my decor downstairs. I think I want to do like a Wonderland type of thing. Not overdo it, but just have it, I don't know, like make that snow looking effect. So just stay tuned for that. That's all me. That has nothing to do with his stuff. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys can see the vision of it all, honey. The vision of it all. We got our garland here. We got our bells. We got our basketballs. We got our footballs. Like, I think it's going to be super duper cute. I think he's going to really like it. So I will have to let you guys know in a later video, but I wanted to go ahead and bring you just a little bit of Christmas here in the house. We have not put anything up just yet. We're still kind of holding off, waiting to do all of that. But yeah, because I don't want to, y'all, I'm trying my best. I'm not going to really probably, I know here in YouTube land, the ladies are putting up their holiday decor, but I have to live in this house and I'm not going to do it. I'm going to wait probably a week before Thanksgiving, and then that's when I will have everything up and running, and you guys will be able to see how we're doing here in the household with our holiday. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the masculine feel to this holiday. Again, this is for a game room, movie room, something like that your husband actually hangs out in, or even if he has his own study or something like that. Just know you can go to Hobby Lobby and find a lot of this stuff, that is for him, things that are for him. And then another thing that you could also do on the trees, like say for instance your husband is into like Star Wars or Marvel movies and stuff like that. Don't forget like the toy section in a lot of these stores where you can actually get little action figures and hang it on his tree and stuff like that. Make it more for him, because let's face it, ladies, they do let us have majority of the house, so we can at least do that little bit for them. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoyed it. If this is something that you liked, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen, so why wouldn't you share? And yeah, so that is it, guys. Again, don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think of everything, subscribe, and share. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye bye.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows,